In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Squarespace forms with Jotform. This process is pretty straightforward and should take you about 5 minutes from start to finish, so let's get right into it. First, we need to head over to Jotform. Open your browser and navigate to jotform.com. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to create an account, but if you're an existing user, just sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your workspace where you can see a list of all your forms. Now locate the Jotform form you want to embed, click on it to open it, and then click on the Edit Form option. This will take you to the Form Builder interface where you can customize and tweak your form until it's just right for your needs. With your form open in the Form Builder, your next step is to click on the Publish tab. You can find this option towards the top of the page. Clicking publish might sound like you're immediately going live, but don't worry. This step is just about making the form ready to be embedded somewhere else, like your Squarespace site. Now look over to the left hand side of the screen after you select publish. You'll see several options pop up, but the one we're interested in today is embed. Go ahead and click that, and you'll be brought to a menu with different platforms you can embed on. We're focusing on Squarespace, so click on the Squarespace option. This will generate the specific embed code tailored to Squarespace's requirements. Let's shift over to your Squarespace account. Get logged in there and navigate to the page where you want to add your form. Most Squarespace templates will have an add block or edit option along the sections of your web page. Search for code block among the available options and select it to add to your desired web page area. Paste the embed code you copied from Jotform into this code block. This step essentially acts like a bridge, allowing your Jotform to seamlessly integrate into your Squarespace site. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, make sure all your changes are saved and then publish your Squarespace page. This part ensures that your new form is visible to your audience or whoever else you want to access it. Always double check that the form appears correctly on both desktop and mobile views to ensure a smooth user experience. And there you have it, your Jotform is now embedded on your Squarespace page. This integration can become a critical part of your online presence, making it easier for your visitors to fill out forms and interact with your site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more quick guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.